G'day, I'm Matt Pontel, Director of Low Code and AI at Velrada, and I'm really excited about Agent 365 for two super cool reasons. Firstly, as a Microsoft AI implementation partner, it allows us to build agents that have security, monitoring, governance, and control that our customers come to expect. Microsoft 365 Copilot and Teams becomes their interaction plane as they confidently enable agents built by their team or other partners using either Microsoft or another vendor stack. Secondly, as a publisher of ISV solutions in the marketplace, Velrada can build agents that our customers can configure within their environment to provide turnkey capabilities for solutions and industry. Power Roster by Velrada is a workforce management solution built on the Power Platform that provides rostering and scheduling capabilities. We provide an agent called Rosti, and within Agent 365, it is equipped with access to company apps and data within the ecosystem using MCP servers and WorkIQ. WorkIQ gives it access to what it needs across knowledge, graph, and Dataverse. This makes Rosti an enthusiastic member of the workforce planning team. It's able to reason over information and perform tasks. We can engage with Rosti from Copilot, Teams, or even Office. All right, less talk, more action. Sam Smith, would you like to show us Rosti?
Thanks ever so much, Matt. Hi there, everyone. My name is Samuel Smith, and I'm a lead AI architect here at Velrada. And it is my pleasure to introduce you to Rosti, our digital assistant powered by Agent 365, available to our users in Copilot and in Teams. Let's check it out.
So here we are in Microsoft Teams, and we've already started a conversation with Rosti, our digital assistant. Now, Rosti has access to a Dataverse MCP server and also a Power Roster MCP server that we've developed ourselves. And the great thing is that we're going to access those servers in exactly the same way through the Agents 365 SDK. And on top of that, it's going to allow us to interact with applications such as Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint, much in the same way that a regular user would. And this brings in many benefits. And as I say, really, as we're watching the user here being able to look at what that current staffing level is, it's great that we're obviously able to query that data in Dataverse, but in this scenario, what we're going to be able to do is go and check against guidelines and framework guidance that we need to follow in order to make sure that the ward is properly staffed at all times. So let's ask Rosti what the capacity should be. So as you can see, Rosti is going to get to work and it's going to go and decide which documents it needs to bring back and synthesize an answer that's going to give us the information that we need. And as you can see in this scenario, actually, we have got a bit of a delta between basically what we have currently allocated, the 6 nurses that we have, versus what is required. So say the documentation is telling us that we actually need to increase this. But on top of that, what Rosti will do is it'll proactively offer to go off and increase it, and then also go and find relevant resources that can help according to the characteristics that they have, as well as also whether they're available or not. So let's wait for that to go off and bring back the resources. And there we have it. Rosti's gone off and it's managed to perform all of those actions for us and provide us with next steps that we're going to need to take to make sure that this ward is properly staffed and equipped for the upcoming increase in demand. But anyway, that really is just tip of the iceberg in terms of Rosti's capabilities, but also what we as partners and what our customers are going to be able to do with Agents 365. And we're really, really excited to continue building on this platform. Anyway, that's enough from me. I'll pass back over to Matt.
Thanks, Sam. So our customers can be confident in Rosti as agents are under management to limit access to resources. This is controlled and monitored using familiar technology such as Microsoft Defender, Entra, and Purview. My favorite part of Rosti is how it can be added to everyday workflows, including how we interact with it during a Teams call. Meetings are now more effective with better insights and actions. Velrada can continue to be a frontier Microsoft partner, building agents for the marketplace and for our customers.